100% sealed all-natural air purifier and Diaper Pail by Hathaway is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. 1. Do these fit the diaper genie and do they help with the smell? Yes, they do fit. It is actually small enough to fit. It helps with smell a lot. I even put them in my trash buckets before putting the trash bag on and it works. 2. How long do they last? The manufacturer's filters last between 15 and 25 days. However, you can place them in the sun after every 12-15 days to recharge the filters and enable them to be used for about 2-3 months each. Recharging takes about 2-3 hours on each side of the sachets, but recharge time may be more or less depending on the strength and visibility of the sun's rays. 3. Do I have to put these in a bag or just place them anywhere as it is when I take them out its packaging? They are small pouches you can put anywhere. I threw one on the bottom of my diaper pail and taped another to the lid. Worked great. I placed mine in the top of my diaper genie, where it came with its own filter. Each filter is individually packaged and vacuum sealed. Because of this, the manufacturer guarantees the manufacturer's filters are made to withstand dampness, which in turn ensures that the manufacturer's product arrives in perfect condition to your doorstep. The manufacturer's items provide 30 days money-back guarantee, 24 hours online service. Super cost, high quality, so what are you waiting for? Purchase your set today. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. It's time to purify your nursery room and entire home from those wretched odors, with Purifier's all-natural odorless and hypoallergenic deodorizers. The manufacturer's deodorizers filter the precious air you breathe, and it worked great in all corners of the home, from the diaper genie diaper pail to the family pet's favorite nap space. Superior filters, utilizing activated carbon technology. The manufacturer's eco-friendly air purifiers come from the finest non-toxic natural Mazo bamboo, a biodegradable and highly renewable resource. They consist of large-shaped porous granules, and a 99% nitrogen purity level, maximizing odor elimination and not just masking odors like so many other deodorizers available today. Get more, totally 20 small bags and each sachet weighing in at 11 grams. The manufacturer's sachets have up to 25% individual vacuum package of each charcoal. Each sachet is individually wrapped to ensure maximum freshness, so that your filters are only activated when you want them to be used. Easy to use, reclaim your baby's sanctuary, as well as your entire house in no time. Simply place a filter underneath your diaper pail's lid, using tape or diaper pail filter holder, underneath the diaper pail lining, in shoe closets, dresser, in the refrigerator, or near your pet's favorite corner, and voila, your house once again belongs to you, your family, and those guests you've been wanting to invite over. Satisfaction today. If you're not happy, we're not happy. The manufacturer are confident that you will love the manufacturer's product, but if you're not completely satisfied with your order, simply return for a full refund or exchange within 30 days. And now for a limited time, enjoy the manufacturer's sale pricing.